Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm trying to bring you all the weekly AI news. So please leave a comment how you like it. And coming to this video, I'm trying to cover the AWS reinvent AI model, Nova models, how it works and what are the different comparison we can make it. And also we got a new release from Google on the video models. And at present, Google is leading the chart on the video models. There is a new open source LLM model, AI2 OLMO2 model, which is rising the bar. There is a killer NVIDIA company on which Jeff Bezos and Samsung are investing $700 billion. Let's dive into this and find out how it is going to change the AI future.
Yeah, Amazon has released its new LLM models, Nova models, as part of its reinvent. So it is very interesting that Amazon came up with these new models. So there are Micro, Light, Pro, and Premier, Canvas, and Rails. So Premier is not it available as of now. Might be it is available early in the next year. So let's look at the one of the video which Amazon Nova has Reels has been created. Amazon came up with very competitive pricing strategy compared to OpenAI and the Gemini models. You can see them how much it is charging per million output in cents.
Now, I would like to compare AWS Nova with open source models like Olama and Quinn. Quinn, if you don't know about it, it's a Alibaba created model. Availability wise, I don't think so. AWS Nova is available outside the AWS cloud environment, as the Olama and Quinn models are available openly on internet. We can download it and we can fine tune it and we can deploy that in either in our laptop or on the server. But I don't think so. It, AWS Nova is available outside the AWS cloud environment. Model size, it's not clear that how big parameter model Novas are. It's not given in their documentation. We will come to know more about it. And customization wise, yes, Nova, we can fine tune it as similar as any other models. And pricing, privacy wise, AWS environment where we have the Nova, so it is more secure with IAM browsers and other stuff. And compared to Olama and Quinn, which are deployed in our environment, the local environment, so it should be privacy sensitive. Multilingual is the Olama and Quinns are supporting multilingual, but AWS Nova, it is not clear whether it supports how many languages are present. Vision models, all the models are supporting. In this way, Google has released its video model. At present, it is available only for the Vertex users, and also it has the underlying invisible watermark, which discourages the misinformation and misattribution concerns. And also, with this video model, Google is leading the race on top of OpenAI. OpenAI Sora model yet to be released, and it is promised to be released before end of this year. Let's see what will happen. And also, most of you might have noticed this ad which Coca-Cola has generated. There is a news that these ads has been generated with OpenAI Sora model, and also some other image generation tools and some other technologies has been used. But with this recent news from Google, Google is leading the chart on video models. I feel that in future, open LLM models are going to lead the race. So this is one of the completely open source model, AI2 OLMO2. So this is raising the bar for the open LLM models. So you can leave your comment. What do you think about this? Open LLM models is going to lead the future, or closed models are going to lead the future? And coming back to this model performance, so it is compared with all the open source models, and in those, like, the metrics are stunning numbers are coming out of this while MO2 13B model and 7B models. So as similar as the operating system Linux and Ubuntu, how it is taking over the market, I feel that the open source LLMs going to be the backend LLM models which serve as the fuel to the all the LLM applications. So Jeff Bezos and Samsung has invested into this new company, Tens Torrent, which is competing with NVIDIA on the chip race for the AI competition. So it is trying to build the chips which are cost effective and more affordable compared to NVIDIA, and the high bandwidth memory HBM components has been created, which it is planned to develop it. And based on this 700 million investments from the Jeff Bezos and Samsung,